The purpose of this video is to demonstrate the ranges of motion which occur at the wrist. Flexion, extension, radial deviation, ulnar deviation, pronation, supination. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to perform passive ranges of motion at the wrist. Passive flexion. Passive extension. Passive radial deviation. Passive ulnar deviation. Passive pronation. Passive supination. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to test strength by performing resistive range of motion for all 6 ranges of motion at the wrist. I'm going to push your hand down. I want you to resist my motion and don't let me push your hand down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I'm going to push your hand up. I want you to resist my motion and do not let me push your hand up. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to try to bring your hand this way. I want you to resist my motion. Do not let me bring your hand this way, okay? Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. I'm going to push your hand this way. I want you to resist my motion and do not let me push your hand into that direction. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I'm going to try to twist your hand this way. I want you to resist my motion and do not let me try to bring your hand into this direction. Okay? Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I'm going to try to twist your hand this way. I want you to resist me attempting to bring your hand into that direction. Okay, ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.